Hi, I'm Carlos Santiso. I'm the head of the division of the OECD that is in charge of digital government, public sector innovation, and open government.
So, Carlos, welcome to the World Government Summit 2024 and also the Government Service Forum here at the WGS. It looks like a lot is happening with AI this time, right? A lot of conversations around AI. What are you looking at from OECD's perspective, and what are your thoughts on what you're hearing here?
Yeah, no, there's a lot of things going on. It's going very fast. It's quite amazing also to be back in Dubai. And I remember last time we were here, we were talking about these issues. And you remember at that time, ChatGPT did not exist.
Yes.
A lot of apps happening in the last year. A lot of is happening now. They were saying that 2024 is going to be like a critical year for a lot of defining a lot of issues that will define our digital future. And here we're going to discuss, both the sort of risk and threats that artificial intelligence is posing to governments, but also the opportunities to make governments a little bit more, closer to people that are really focused on their needs. So there's a lot of opportunities and risk to be managed at the same time in an environment that is changing very, very fast.
Excellent. So at the forum, the Government Services Forum, it's all about citizen services, service delivery, how to excel in it, how to reduce the friction between the people and government. What are you seeing maybe in other parts of the world as as adoption of AI starts happening to a very small extent? What are you seeing happen?
No, I think there's a gradual move that now digitalization is not enough. Putting technologies on problems is not enough. I think with artificial intelligence in particular, it's how you put intelligence back into public services in the way you think, the way the way you think, how you interact with people, and how you interact with citizens, and how you become more smarter at anticipating their needs. So I think there's a lot of discussions about going from seamless services that are providing a seamless experience to citizens and customers, to an integrated way of thinking around people's life and life experiences. And there's a lot of talk, I think, around integration of services, integration of governments around people, be it federal governments with state governments and local governments. I think it was also a lot of discussion about going local and going closer to the citizens' needs. So I think a lot of discussions and a lot of lessons to be learned, including from the UAE and Dubai, for example, has been at the forefront of a lot of these experiences.
Excellent. Any parting thoughts on the forum that you're going to be part of and talking about? What are your main talking points, if you will?
No, I think there's a lot of talking points. I think also there's a lot of discussions around AI in particular and the role of governments in AI. And there's a lot of discussions around governments as regulators, as enablers, as funders. But I think what we're going to discuss is governments as users and what it means. And I think there's a lot of issues and challenges to be had, but basically that we can summarize that in terms of getting your house in order and practice what you preach also within government services. Also because governments have maybe a duty of care that is greater than the private sector in delivering on the expectations and making sure that the experience of citizens is secure, is predictable, is personalized. So I think there's a lot of discussion going on there, and it's really a big delight to be back again at the World Government Summit, and in particular the Government Services Forum. I think that's a lot of exchanges are happening.
Excellent. Thank you so much, Carlos. Enjoy the forum, enjoy the conference, and it's a pleasure to have you back here.
Thank you, and looking forward to the ongoing discussions.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.